Good morning to all. My name is Ashita Nandan. I am Shari, not Shari. Hi friends. Today my topic is magic word. Welcome. Good morning. Please. Please give me pencil. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. I am sorry. Thank you. Thank you, friend. It's okay.